Established in 2006, Zenithsolar is a high-tech enterprise specializing in production equipment for solar module manufacturing. Our key product is the 120 megawatt PV production line, a fully automated, state-of-the-art solution for manufacturing high-efficiency solar modules. With an annual capacity of 120 megawatts across 3 shifts, it delivers high productivity. Approximately 80 solar panels are produced per hour. Its adaptability extends to various solar cell types, including mono, poly, PERC, TOPCon, and heterojunction cells, producing modules up to 2,500 by 1,400 millimeters in size. Equipped with assembly equipment such as EVA cutting and layup and stringer machines, it caters to different cell types with a production rate of 1,450 to 1,600 pieces per hour. Complemented by multiple laying platforms, an edge trimmer, a framing machine, and 2 flipping detection platforms, the production process remains stable and fully automated. Special testing equipment, including electroluminescence detectors, solar simulators, voltage, and insulation testers, ensures the highest quality standards at various stages. It requires only 10 to 12 workers, significantly reducing labour costs without compromising on quality. Zenithsolar also offers comprehensive services including project optimization, production line design, and tailored after-sales support. We currently operate in 45 countries and regions, collaborating with more than 150 partners. As a testament to our excellence, American customers are currently on site witnessing firsthand the performance of our PV line.